Hello everyone, in this video I will be discussing Canada Asylum Big Interview all questions and answers in 7 parts. In the part 1 I will be discussing all your travel history questions. In the part 2 I will be discussing types of documents you need in the interview. In the part 3 I will be discussing health-related questions. In the part 4 I will be discussing basis of your claim questions. In the part 5 I will be discussing criminality and security screening questions. In the part 6 I will be discussing supporting documents questions. In the part 7 I will be discussing your biodata questions. So make sure don't skip this video. After watching this you will be able to answer all of the Canada Asylum interview questions and answers. So instead of wasting your time, let's start the video with the part 1 questions. But before starting the video, make sure do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So part 1, travel history questions. Question number 1. How did you enter to the Canada? Question number 2. How did you travel to the Canada? Suggested points to cover the travel history questions. Question number 3. What countries did you travel through on your way to the Canada? Question number 4. What kind of documents did you use to travel to the Canada? Question number 5. What kind of transport did you use on your way to the Canada? Question number 6. What date did you arrive in the Canada? Question number 7. Where did you arrive in the Canada? Question number 8. Does any agent help you on your way to the Canada? Question number 9. If any agent helped you on your way to the Canada, then how much did you pay to him? Question number 10. And if you paid to your agent, then from where that money came from? Question number 11. How did you found that agent? Make sure, if someone helped you in finding of that agent, then you must have full details of that person. Part 2, documentation questions. Question number 1. Have you ever had your own national passport? Make sure if you have your national passport then. Question number 2. Can you produce your own national passport today? Question number 3. Can you produce your own national passport within 3 days? Question number 4. What document did you use to travel to the Canada? Question number 5. Where did you get this document? Question number 6. To whom you showed this document when you checked in for your flight? Question number 7. Who had control of this document during your journey to the Canada? Question number 8. Can you produce this document today or within 3 days, and if you cannot produce it today or within 3 days, then why you can't produce it? Question number 9. If the document was given to the agent, then why did you do this? Question number 10. What would have happened if you had not returned the document to the agent? Question number 11. Have you ever had your own national identity card? Question number 12. Have you ever had your own military identity card? Question number 13. Have you ever had your own driving license? Question number 14. If you have your national identity card or military card or driving license, then where is it now? Question number 15. Have you ever used other names? Question number 16. Have you ever claimed asylum in Canada before? Question number 17. If you claimed asylum in Canada before, then where did you claim that asylum and when did you claim that asylum? Question number 18. Have you applied for Canada visa before? Question number 19. Have you been issued a Canada visa before coming to Canada? Make sure if you have been issued a Canada visa before, then were you fingerprinted as part of the application process? Question number 20. Have you ever applied for or been granted leave to enter or remain in Canada? If the answer is yes, then were you granted leave to remain? When you granted leave to remain? Why you granted leave to remain? Question number 21. Have you been issued with a biometric residence permit? Question number 22. Have you applied for or been issued a visa for any other country before coming to Canada? Question number 23. Have you been fingerprinted in Canada or any other country? If the answer is yes, then where was this fingerprint taken? When was it taken? Why was it taken? Part 3 Health Questions. Question number 1. Do you have any medical condition? If the answer is yes, then question number 2. How long have you suffered with this condition? Question number 3. Do you have diagnosed by a recognized medical practitioner? Question number 4. Are you receiving any NHS-specific treatment in Canada? If the answer is yes, then question number 5. What is the name of your GP? Question number 6. What is the address of your GP? Question number 7. Do you have any medication? Question number 8. Do you have any specialist care? Question number 9. Do you have any disability? If the answer is yes, then question number 10. What is the nature of the disability? Question number 11. Are you getting any specialist treatment? Question number 12. Is someone taking care of you in Canada? Question number 13. If someone is taking care of you, then what is their name and address? Question number 14. Are you taking any medication for your disability? Make sure if the applicant is female, then the immigration officer can ask more questions about your health. For example, are you pregnant? What is the approximate delivery date? Have you seen any doctor? Name and contact details of the midwife. Part 4 Basis of Claim Summary Questions. Question number 1. What was your reason for coming to Canada? Question number 2. Can you briefly explain why you cannot return to your home country? Question number 3. Have you ever claimed asylum? Question number 4. Have you ever been granted refugee status? Question number 5. Have you ever been granted leave to remain in any other country? Question number 6. If you passed through or stayed in any other countries prior to your arrival in Canada, then why did you not apply for asylum there? Part 5 Criminality and Security Screening Questions. Question number 1. Have you ever been arrested? Question number 2. Have you ever been charged or convinced of an offense in any country? If the answer is yes, then, what was the date of conviction? What was the country name? What kind of offense was it? Did you get any sentence? Question number 7. Are you subject to an arrest warrant? Question number 8. Are you wanted by any law enforcement authority for an offense in any country? If the answer is yes, then, what was the date? What was the country name? What was the offense? Question number 9. Have you ever been involved in, or supported terrorism, or engaged in violent opposition to a national government? Question number 10. Have you ever been detained as a suspected terrorist? Question number 11. Have you ever said or written anything which praises or justifies terrorism? Question number 12. Have you ever taken part in any illegal activities? Question number 13. Have you ever worked for any of the following organizations? Armed Forces, Reserve Forces, Government, Judiciary, Media, Public or Civil Administration, Police or private security companies? If the answer is yes, then the name of all the relevant organization. Your position and rank in that organization. Dates you worked for that organization. Part 6 Supporting Documents. Question number 1. Do you have any documents or other evidence relevant to your claim? Question number 2. Do you have any other personal circumstances that you wish to submit to support your asylum application? If the answer is yes, then, do you have them with you today? If not, then, when will they be available? Where there are such documents held by you, what is the specific nature of those documents? What kind of language is on those documents? Part 7 Biodata Questions. Question number 1. What is your family name? Question number 2. What is your first name? Question number 3. Have you ever used any other names? Question number 4. What is your date of birth? Question number 5. What is your nationality? Question number 6. What is your race or ethnicity? Question number 7. What is your religion? Question number 8. What is your occupation? Question number 9. Do you have a place to stay in Canada? Question number 10. Do you have a contact number? Question number 11. Do you have dependent with you in Canada?